I'm just getting started. I didn't even get in my bag. Man, I won't think with you niggas, but y'all steady hating. Don't talk about popping no tag. I'll spend the block cause I'm patient. Come back in the year and that check that you wrote to get cash. You want to smoke with the demon.
Y'all see the song, go check it out over on the Big Homies channel. It's fire, you know, I listen to it regularly because you see it's in my playlist for the videos on What's Poppin' Wednesday, but that's another story. I ain't gonna tell you about that. Hell, this shit's easy. Fuck with me on YouTube. We'll get you some monetization coaching also. I mean, hell, you saw we did the Buy Me a Coffee video, so, you know, I ain't gonna let y'all know that I let y'all know that I let y'all know. Hell, I've been told you. What they say, hell, he been putting the message in the streets. Hey, shouts out to YouTube because we keep it in the streets. Hey, anyways, we got more videos to review. Shouts out to the networking session. I'm finna roll up another one for the lessons. Gotta do my homework. 2025, you gotta do your homework.
Pounds of cannabis seized by Idaho State Police. Troopers found 7,000 pounds of hemp in a truck near Boise last month. Owners say the product is perfectly legal industrial hemp, but state officials say field tests showed the load was positive for THC, which is illegal in Idaho no matter what substance it's in.
But now, a bill is making its way through the State House that could make it easier for authorities to tell the difference.
Idaho State Police seized more marijuana in 2017 than they did in the previous 3 years combined.
Possessing the smallest bit of marijuana is a misdemeanor in the state of Idaho. 3 full bags this size, that's a felony.
We're seeing a huge increase in possession throughout the state of Idaho. And we're also seeing an increase in trafficking cases.
As legal marijuana becomes a reality across the U.S., Idaho's putting up a fight. Proposed constitutional amendment that would prevent...
I mean, come on now. We already know. At the end of the day, Fred don't just like having one type of weed. I'm sorry. So I'm going to get a fucking couple ounces of everything I want. Oh, you expect me to be broke? Those are rules you put on broke people. Hell, shit. I ain't got time to follow that type of shit, officer. I got fucking 1 bag of this. That's 2 ounces of, let's just say Jack Frost. Shouts out to Jack Frost. Then I got a 2-ounce bag of motherfucking cookies. Then I got a 2-ounce bag of da-da-da-da-das. I got to stock up on each flavor I like. Because guess what? Nobody got time to be running back and forth to the store. I'm trying to be $1 billion hour type person one of these days. You know, I make $1 million every hour, officer. Hell, you go tell broke people those problems. Here, just give me the fine and shut the hell up. Give me my weed back. Hell, fuck wrong with y'all? You gotta start telling these police shit that makes sense. Hell, those are the rules for the broke people. I got money. What's the fine? Hell, I paid and do what else I had to do. Hell, ain't nobody selling weed. Hell, I bought all this shit for me. Shout out to having options they don't understand, right? Yeah, let the people who don't understand the game enforce the rules.
The legalization of pot in the state moved forward Friday.
Keep it illegal. Idaho lawmakers advanced a proposal to add a state constitutional amendment preventing the legalization of marijuana.
So now we
Persevera, she lost. I'm gonna go check out Joy.
Ruin your opportunities at a successful job, life.
Awesome.
So, as you guys can see, over in Idaho, things are really strict when it comes to the herb. There's no medical, there's no rec, they're just fully against it. And in today's episode, we're going to literally hop over to one of the strictest states in Idaho and see what we got going on down there. Because it seems that it may be changing in the future. A few groups are petitioning for change. And we're also going to have a look at the mandatory minimum sentencing, which is going through the state house right now. But first off, let's ask the question, is herb legal in Idaho? No, it's not legal in Idaho for any use whatsoever. No medical, no rec. Idaho's laws are among the strictest in the United States. So that got me wondering, how strict is strict? Let's have a look, just like what we do with some of the other states. Let's break it down in detail. 3 ounces or less, that's a misdemeanor, incarceration for a year, maximum fine of $1,000. But anything over 3 ounces is a felony, 5 years, and $10,000 fine. Now when it comes to distribution, sale, or delivery, those are also pretty hefty charges. They're all felonies ranging from 1 to 5 years incarceration and up to $50,000. Now as you guys can see right here, there are mandatory minimum sentences, and we will get into that in a bit. But when it comes to cultivation,